Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nur Azizah. I'm from 11 Science 4. In here, I want to show you how to wash clothes using washing machine. First, plug the plugs into the socket. Second, add dirty clothes to the washing machine. Third, add fabric softener and detergent or milk detergent. Fourth, turn on the water tap. Fifth, turn on power. 6. Set the load size to manage water loaded to washing. 7th, tap wash to determine the length of time to wash the clothes. 8th, tap rinse to determine the length of time to rinse the clothes for 3 times. 9. Turn on dryer to dry the clothes for 8 minutes. 10th, turn on start to start washing clothes. Disclaimer: to determine how much or length of time to washing is depends on the quantity of the clothes at wash. After washing, plug the plugs out from the socket. Turn the water tap off, then remove the clothes from the machine and put clothes onto the basket to dry. Finish. So that's it. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.